Using a Phillips head screwdriver, there is an insert right here, and there's one down below. What you want to do is loosen these plastic inserts just a little bit. And go ahead and grab your trim tool and go ahead and pop out the center on both of these. Once those come out, go ahead and use that trim tool and pull out that whole little center lock there. Comes out, looks like that. Do that for both of them. Once those are out, you want to go ahead and remove this trim panel. So just reach up on the top. You can use your trim tool if necessary. Pop that down in. And once you get that piece off, it exposes two 10mm bolts. You can use a socket or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove both of these. Now with both of those removed, you can go ahead and grab the taillight and pull directly backward. You can separate this. On the back side, you have your light sockets here. Go ahead and turn those counterclockwise. There's a little harness clip on the back here. And go ahead and install your bulbs here. Line these up. I'll go ahead and line up that tail light. Now on the tail light, there's going to be little plastic nubs on here that line up with clips on the body. Line those up and slide the tail light back in. Go ahead and install your 10mm bolts. Just snug those down. And when you go and install this, there are two little lock tabs on the inside that go into the taillight edge. So line this up. Snap that into the side of the taillight. Grab your plastic push pins, push in the base, and then push in the lock. Repeat for the top.